Hello. Mm, Hello everyone. Today I want to give you an introduction uh, of our one of our software. The name is YABGP. So what is YABGP? Here this is the GitHub homepage for our software, and we have a group called Smart BGP, and YABGP is one of the software. So what is a YBGP? YBGP is just another BGP Python implementation, and there are many other uh, BGP implementation. So we just one of them, okay? And um, uh, j just now we have just one release. So today I want to show you how to use our software. Okay, and here's the uh, documentation for our software. You can find many useful information from this web page, include how to install it and how to use it. And today I want to show you some of them. First of all, I want to show you how to install our software, and there are two ways to do that. The first, you can just download the source code and just install some dependencies, and then you can use it. The second way, you can use pipe to install our software, and I think this is very simple. Today I want to show you how to use it from source code. Okay. Uh, First, this is one of my virtual machine, and I have already downloaded the source code. And at the same time, I created a Python virtual environment. So let's active the virtual environment first. So, okay. Um, Actually, I have already installed all the requirements. For you, if you are the first time to use this software, you must install the requirement through pipe. Sorry. Top R requirement. Okay, you can see the output. All the requirements are certified. Okay, so now you can go to the bin folder and type Python YBGPD, and this will print out the help, and this will show you how to use this software. Okay, first, uh, because our software is used to connect a router, okay, so there I have a virtual router, and I have configured some BGP configuration there. You can see we have a BGP instance, and this is his AS number, and we have some BGP peers here. Um, Today the peer I want to use is 10.75.44.11, this peer, and the address of this peer actually is the IP address of this this virtual machine. Okay, yeah, the same IP address. And the remote ES is just the same as the local one. So we want to establish IBGP up here. Okay, and here's the configuration, and we will the YBGP will be the root refactor client for this virtual router. Okay, so we can show the BGP summary. From the output, we can see that the peer status now is active. Yes, it's active. Okay, let's configure the YBGP side. So the first time I will show you how to use the command line to configure some BGP options here. Okay, we just need this five options to run our software. YBGP D, and the local address is our own IP address, and the local ES is just the same as this configuration. Okay, and BGP MD5 authentication. Actually, we have configured one line here. The password is Cisco. Okay, let's type Cisco here, and then is the remote peer address. The remote peer address here we use actually we will use one interface in this router. The interface is Ethernet 0, and the IP address is this. Okay. Oh, sorry. The IP address. So this is the IP address. Okay, the last one is the remote AS. Yes, just the same as the local one. Okay, that's all. Let's run it. Yes, success. You can see from the log print on the console, and the BGP peer status is now established. Let's check it in the router side. Yes, you can see the status log here. Okay, the peer is up, and through the command line, we can know that our peer here is established. Yes, and let's see some configuration here. Let's stop our peer. Okay. Hey, the peer is safe now. It's stopped now. The peer is down. Okay. There are some config options here. You can see from the output here. Although we just give 5 options through the command line, but there are many options which used during the running time. Some of them have default values. Okay, for example, like this 4 options means we will write all the update message BGP messages to the local disk. Okay, actually we can check now because the last time we run it, the write disk flag is true. It means we will write all BGP messages into the local disk, and this is the uh, destination. Okay, there is a data folder and BGP folder. There's peer folder and there's message folder. There is message file, and through the message file we can see all the BGP messages received from the remote peer. Okay, the first one is open message, and the second and third one is keep alive message, and the following are update messages. So actually you can check all the message format from our documentation. Okay, is this you can get more details from here. Okay, so let's let's show you something else. Mm, Now I want to let's start our peer again. The peer is start now, and actually our software support RESTful API. You can see from the configuration we have RESTful API bind host and bind port, and actually we also have some authentication, basic authentication, username and password. You can find the username and password from the configuration file, and the default username and password is admin. So let's check this from the Postman. Postman is a very useful software. Actually, all the RESTful API we have documentation here. It will tell you how to use it. So let's check some of them. First is we want to get all peers running information. So this is the URL, and this is the IP address. This is the port. Actually, we have authentication here. I already added in the headers. And the method is get. Let's send this request, and this is the response. You can see here. This is the response, and it will tell you some configuration of this peer and the state of this peer, like the peer state is established, and the uptime. The unit is second. This is the very simple. And if we want to get one peer's state, you can use this URL and send. Almost the same as the first one. Also, you can get some static information from the RESTful API. Just like this one, you want to get some static members for this peer, and it will tell you now how many messages you have received and how many messages you have sent out. Okay, very easy, yeah. And the fourth one is you can send some BGP messages. The first is root refresh. If you want to send a root refresh, you can use this API. Okay, let's send out. Yeah, this response means the operation is successful. And you can see from um, the log the log shows we have sent a BGP refresh message to the peer. Okay. Mm, the fourth one is if you want to send an update message to the peer, how can we do that? It's very simple. The you can use this URL send update, and the method is post. Is post. You must change the method is post, and this is the post data body, and its format is JSON, and um, you can send this update to the remote peer. Um, it includes two prefixes, and they have the BGP attributes here. So what's this attributes means? You can find from the documentation. Um, Also, you can find from the message format part. Okay, let's send out this. Yeah, let's check it from the router side. You can see we have received two prefixes from the YABGP, and this is the prefix. Also, if you show IPBGP summary, you can see from the output you can see that we already have received two prefix. Yeah, two prefix. So how to withdraw the prefix? The prefix. Um, we can use. Yeah, it's have the same URL, but different format. The JSON body. Sorry, withdraw. Okay, that's not. And let's show it again. Yeah, it's empty now. We have withdrawn all prefixes, all two prefixes. Yeah, so very simple. Yes. So I hope um, you can use our software to do some test and give us some advice. You can open an issue here, or you can just send email to me. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.